I just have a quick update on the RS5. I did a full diagnosis on it. It looks like it has valve contact on cylinder 8 on the forward valve. The forward one being the one that's a little cleaner. It doesn't seal, so I'm assuming it took a smack on it from a piston. Looks like it has a broken valve spring, so the valve probably didn't close in time and made contact with a piston. So I'll be pulling the engine out and pulling some heads off, getting some new valves and springs, probably from Integrated Engineering, and get her back running, and so we can enjoy the RS5. In the meantime, I've got an Audi SQ5 in for service, mostly for preventative maintenance and also some performance upgrades. We're doing a 207mm 034 pulley, engine mounts, transmission mounts, the subframe kit. So it includes the upgraded inserts for that, the drivetrain inserts, and then some transmission fluid exchange, filter, serpentine belt, PCV valve, thermostat, and a few other items just as preventative maintenance for the future. So I like to see a customer take care of their vehicle and take care of things before they fail. So it's nice to see that.